How to check your Instagram login details. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can check your Instagram account login devices. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up your Instagram application. Now here in the bottom right corner there is the option of your profile. You have to click on it, and from here you have to click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner, and from here you have to go on the settings and the privacy. So now once you are in here, in the top there is the option of the account center. You have to click on it, and from here you have to simply go on the personal details. So now once you are in the password and the security details, what you have to do is simply go on the option of the when you are login, and as you can see here is your all of your Instagram accounts. So you have to open up your Instagram account in which you want to check the login details, and once you open it, here is all of your currently login devices. So from here, if you want to log out from any device, what you have to do is simply click on it, and from here you can check out the recent logins, and from here you can also log out this device. So you can also check your saved logins. For that you just have to go back, and from here you have to simply go on the saved login, and from here you can also check out all of your saved login in your Instagram account. So this is how you can check your login details devices in your Instagram account. So if this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.